Hi, this is Boyd. It's the owner's manual for my 2011 Ranger, which I'm sitting in right now. The turn signal has not worked since about the 1st of October, 2018. Let me turn down the fan in this thing. And okay, here's the page 185 in the owner's manual. And I've read through this thing, I don't know, 10 times. 10 times now, and on that diagram, number 17 is the fuse for the turn signal. And I've checked that, I think 2-3 times. The fuse is fine. I've done Google searches. I've been on a forum, one of the Ranger forums on Facebook. I've looked up these diagrams. I replaced the turn signal switch. I got a used one from a junkyard in St. Paul for 25, I think it was 25 bucks. Auto parts stores sell new turn signal switches for about 125 bucks. Money is really tight now. I have bills I gotta pay, and I'm trying to avoid going to a shop and spending hundreds of dollars when money is tight, and I have bills I gotta pay. My mom needs help with bills. And so back to this. Okay, 20 is, let's go to the next page here. Darn, it's warm. I gotta turn down the heat. So 20, let's see what 20 is. Number 20, right there. Speed control module, backup lamps, overdrive, cancel switch, electronic flasher, turn. Okay, I checked. That's number 20. And that fuse is fine. It's just a fuse, not a relay. See it right there, number 20. Just a fuse, not a relay. And see, for number 20, speed control, cruise control works, backup lamps don't work. Overdrive cancel switch, well, this truck's a manual transmission. Electronic turn, you see I got an underlined anti-lock brake system. ABS system, roll stability control system work. Turn signals only work when the truck is cold, not after it's warmed up after about 5 minutes. Backup lights have not worked since June. Four-way flashers do work. Four-way flashers do work. They have always worked. So it's not the four-way flasher. You know, this turn signal switch is, there's wipers, spray, turn, right turn, left turn, high beams. And I'm completely stumped. I'm really, literally stumped. I've worked on this thing several times since the 1st of October. And I'm stumped. I don't know what the hell to do. I got pulled over by a nice county patrolman about 3 weeks ago. And he said, just fix it. Well, fog lights haven't worked in about a year. But I worked on this truck for about 2 hours 8 days ago, Wednesday. Replaced the bulb on the third brake light up on the back of the cab. replace the right front headlight bulb, the right front marker bulb, and I am stumped. Absolutely, positively, completely stumped. I have some relays in this bag here that I bought from various auto parts stores. I've stopped at 3 auto parts stores to ask, and they've each sold me relays for about 18 bucks a piece. So I got 3 relays, and I can't figure out if there's actually a relay. People on the Ranger forum on Facebook say there is a relay for this truck, and I don't know which one it is. That's the box for the 2.3 2011. This truck I'm sitting in is a 2011, and I've read through this list I think about 10 times now, just completely I'm at my wit's end. Don't know what to do. I'm lost. I'm not dumb, not really good with electrical stuff. I've done Google searches, Facebook Ranger forum, and well, that's the page for the 4-liter engine. I really don't know what to do. I don't want to get a fix-it ticket. I don't think they'll tow a truck in Minnesota for turn signals not working. I know in St. Paul I would get a fine for turn signals not working. But I'm battling Lyme disease, so I'm spending money on medicine to keep myself alive, and I don't know what the hell to do to fix this damn problem. I'm lost. Don't know what to do. Anyone else with a 2011? I know this truck I'm sitting in is a 2011. I bought it June of 2015 from a dealer in the West Metro of the Twin Cities. And I remember the salesman, really nice guy, and I remember this new young woman working there was stunning. I remember this beautiful young woman working at this dealership where I bought this. I wonder where she is now. She's young enough to be my daughter, but anybody got any ideas? Because I don't know what to do to fix this. Anyway, well, if you have a stupid comment you're thinking of posting, don't post it, because I'll just delete it. If you have a helpful comment, please post it. I'll listen. If you have any ideas. And yes, this switch that I replaced was used from a yard in St. Paul. I guess there's always a chance. There's always a chance that this switch is bad, since I bought it used. But I'd like to avoid spending 125 bucks on another switch, on a brand new switch. Anyway, I guess this video is long enough. Thank you for listening. See you later. Bye.